In continuation to our series of VBA macro programming, next we'll learn how to copy and paste cell or range of cells in Microsoft Excel using VBA macro programming. Suppose we write a code in VBA and in that code we need to copy data of few cells and paste them at another location. Then how do we do it? So let us see that. I have created a blank workbook here with the name copy paste and we'll create our macro in this file. We'll click on developer tab and click on Visual Basic. In case you cannot see developer tab in Excel, then you need to go to file menu, click on options, click on customize ribbon. On the right hand side, check the checkbox besides developer and click OK button. We can also press keyboard shortcut Alt F11 to bring on the Visual Basic for Applications Editor. Now we'll create a module here and write all our code in that module. So we'll click on Insert, click on Module, and you can see that Module 1 is created under Modules folder in our project. First, let us change the name of the module from Module 1 to Copy Paste. So you can see that the name of the module is now changed to Copy Paste. In case you cannot see this Properties window, you can bring that from View and Properties window. Alternatively, we can also hit keyboard shortcut F4. So, when we double click on the copy paste module, the module editor opens on the right hand side and this is the place where we are going to write our code. Now, whatever code we write will have to be written in a function and the function starts with sub and name of the function. So, in our case, we'll write sub copy underscore paste open and close parenthesis and the function ends with end sum. So now we have a function here and whatever code we'll write will be written in this function. There are two methods with which we can copy and paste the data from one cell to another in Excel worksheet with the help of VBA programming. Let us see both the method one by one. Method 1. In this method, we'll straightaway assign values from a range of cells to another cells. First, let us write some data in the sheet to enable us to perform copy paste on the same. We'll write range into bracket into double quotes cell address where we want to write, let's say A1 colon A10 dot value equal to into double quotes sample1. We have already seen in earlier video how to refer cells with VBA. If you haven't seen this video, then I have provided the link of the same in the description box below and the I button above. In this video, I have explained referencing cells with 4 different methods and referencing range is one of it which we have used here. So, this line will write text sample1 in all the cells from A1 till A10. Now, we'll copy the data from cells of column A and paste it in column B, which is quite simple. The way we earlier assigned sample text to cells A1 till A10, in similar lines, we'll assign column A to column B. We'll write range into bracket into double quotes cell address where we want to paste the data, that is B1 colon B10 dot value equal to range into bracket into double quotes cell address from where we want to copy the data, that is A1 colon A10 dot value. So this is it. Now let us run our code and see what happens. We'll run the code in debugging mode so that we can see what happens line by line. To run the code in debugging mode, we need to go to debug menu and click on step into. Alternatively, we can also use keyboard shortcut F8. So we have text sample1 in cells from A1 till A10. Let's again hit F8 and now we can see that the text from range A1 till A10 is copied in the cell B1 till B10. Now there is one more method with which we can achieve this. Let's look into that as well. Method 2. In earlier method, we had directly assigned the values to the cells where we had to paste it. But in this method, we will break down the steps exactly we would have done in Excel while working. Say, we want to copy the cells from A1 till A10 and paste it onto C1 till C10. Then in this method we'll first copy and then paste. So we'll write range into bracket into double quotes cell address from where we want to copy the data, that is A1 colon A10 dot copy. So this line will copy the data, and in next line we'll write range into bracket into double quotes cell address where we want to paste the data, that is C1 colon C10 dot paste special. So this line will only paste the cells. Now we have written paste special over here since we want to paste everything, but if we were to paste only values or formats, then we can write space paste colon equal to, and we have the entire list of possible paste options. But since we want to paste all, we'll remove this. Next, we'll have to remove the copy mode, so we'll write application dot cut copy mode equals to false. So that's it. Let's delete all the cells in our worksheet and then run our code to see what happens. So we have sample text 1 in cells from A1 till A10 and text copy pasted in column B, and now the cells in column A are copied and the cells are now pasted in column C. Now copy mode is removed. So this was the second method with which we can copy paste. Like we copy pasted range of cells, we can also copy paste entire columns and rows. For column we'll write columns into bracket into double quotes the column we need to copy, let's say A dot copy. And now to paste this we'll write columns into bracket into double quotes the column where we want to paste, let's say D dot paste special. And similarly for rows, we'll write rows into bracket into double quotes the row number we need to copy, let's say 10 dot copy. And now to paste this we'll write rows into bracket into double quotes the row where we need to paste, let's say 11 dot paste special. Next we'll have to remove the copy mode, so we'll write application dot cut copy mode equals to false. So what we have done here is when we copy entire column, there is no need of giving row number. So instead of range, we have used columns. And similarly, while copying rows, there is no need of giving column name. So instead of range, we have used rows here. So that's it. Let's delete all the cells in our worksheet and then run our code and see what happens. So we have text sample 1 in cells from A1 till A10 and text copy pasted in column B, column A copied, pasted in column C, and copy mode is removed. Now column A is copied, pasted in column D. Now row 10 is copied and pasted in row 11 and copy mode is removed. So in this manner we can copy paste entire row or column. So till now whatever we have done is done in the same sheet, but now we'll see how to copy the content from one sheet and paste it in another, and this is pretty simple if you have understood the code till now. We'll just use the above code and make some minor changes in it. Here, just before columns and rows, we'll add sheet names. So let's write sheets into bracket into double quotes. Since we want to copy from sheet 1, we'll write sheet 1 and dot. Similarly, we'll write sheet 2 in paste code since we want to paste it in sheet 2. Likewise, we'll do with the code of rows. We'll write sheet 1 here and sheet 2 here. And we are done. Let's delete all the cells in our worksheet and then run our code and see what happens. So we have text sample 1 in cells from A1 till A10 and text copy pasted in column B, column A copied, pasted in column C, and copy mode is removed. Column A is copied, pasted in column D, row 10 is copied and pasted in row 11 and copy mode is removed. And now again column A is copied and it is pasted in column D of sheet 2 as we can see here. Now row 10 of sheet 1 is copied and pasted in row 11 of sheet 2 and copy mode is removed. So in this manner, we can copy paste data from one sheet to another. So I hope you understood how to copy paste cell or range of cells, columns or rows in same as well as another sheet. So that's all for this video. If you found this video useful, please like and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it right now and press the bell icon besides the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching.